everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to 𝐸𝐿. So let's talk about yoga props today. Yoga props are the tools which provide support and helps to deepen your practice. So there are many kind of props which you can use during your practice. Let's talk about them. So first, let's talk about these yoga belts. You can find them online on Amazon, Flipkart. I will also share a link in my description box. Please check it out. And these yoga belts helps you to deepen your practice and brings flexibility. Like they also release the stiffness from the body. So if you are not able to go beyond your limits, or if you are not able to stretch yourself, you can use these yoga belts. Or if you don't have these yoga belts, don't worry, I have one more home solution for you, which is this dupatta. This dupatta you can find in your home, in your mother's wardrobe, or even in your wife's wardrobe. So grab it and use it for your yoga practice. So you can use these belts like in this video. You can see as we are practicing Padhastasana. So I am using this yoga belt for my practice. So you can use these yoga belts in sitting asanas, in lying position asana practices. Next, let's talk about these yoga blocks. So these are again available online, so you can find them easily. These blocks helps to provide the alignment and support during the standing asana. So when you're not able to touch the ground and you need some support, you can use easily these yoga blocks. If you don't have these yoga blocks, grab some books and layer them and you're good to go. Apart from this, you can use bolsters, you can use a blanket during your restorative asana practice where you are lying down comfortably, and these blankets and the towels you can use under your knees, under your hips for the support, for that relaxation. So I hope these yoga props will help you in your practice. Whenever you come down on your mat, grab these yoga props and start with your practice. Comment in the box below and let me know how these yoga props helps you in your practice. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more yoga tips and inspirations. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay grounded, stay mindful and stay well. Namaskar.